Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 electric bicycle conversion kit. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected electric bike conversion kit. Specifications: brand name, Little TT. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Wattage, greater than 400 W. Motor type 3, 250 watts/350 watts/500 watts. Wheel position, front/rear wheel. Brake system, V-brake and disc brake compatible. Wheel size, 20/24, 26, 27.5, 28, 29 inch 700C. Conversion, e-bike motor. Powerful motor, ebike kit 36V48V. Hub motor, 250 watts, 350 watts, 500 watts. The item number 2 is Chamrider bicycle conversion kit. Specifications: brand name, Chamrider. Origin, CN origin. Design, brushless. Certification, C. Voltage, 48 volts. Wattage, 301 to 400 W. Motor type, brushless gear hub motor. On the top of our list at number 1 we have e-bike conversion kit. Specifications: brand name, Oakfeet. Origin, CN origin. Design, brushless. Certification, C. Certification, DOT. Voltage, 48 volts. Wattage, 400 W. Motor type, brushless gear hub motor. Color, black. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.